How to fix Roblox. Ask your parent to join this experience. Need parent permission pops up. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. Go to search bar on top right corner of your screen. Search apps. Click on apps and notification. Then click on Roblox. Force stop the app. After you force stop the app, click on storage and cache. Clear cache and clear storage. After you do that, restart your device. After you restart your device, open the app, log in using your account, Gmail or phone number, and then your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Roblox. Ask your parent to join this experience. Need parents' permission pops up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.